Hey there, quick note before we dive in. What you're watching right now is a lesson from one of my courses that I've decided to release completely for free here on YouTube so you don't have to pay a dime. So instead of asking you to buy my course, if you want to show your appreciation, here's a couple of things that you can do. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. These small actions tell YouTube to share my content with more people, which is a huge help. Also, feel free to check out my recommended equipment links in the description below. If you do purchase equipment from these links, I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you whatsoever. Or if you want to, you can leave me a super thanks or even just hit play on one of my playlists. I know it sounds silly, but if you just hit play on one of my playlists and let it play in the background, even if you're not paying attention, it tells YouTube, hey, people are watching these videos. I'm going to push it out to more people. So even if you just want to do that, I would love it. I would appreciate it so much. And then lastly, if you're looking for more personalized help, I do offer private coaching that you can find in the description of this video. Either way, I really appreciate you, whether you choose to do one of these things or not. Just by simply watching this video, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Now, let's get to the lesson. All right, let's customize the meter in Adobe Audition. This will allow you to not only set your levels more easily, but also help you find what your exact noise floor is. So first things first, I don't know if your meter is really small or something like that. All you have to do is just go to the very end of the meter until it goes to the double arrow back and forth, and then just hold down left click and drag it all the way to the end like you see there. And then now all you've got to do is you see the dBs down here that only go from 0 all the way down to 60. All we have to do is right click and change it from a 60 dB range all the way to a 96 dB range. And now as you can see, the numbers are spread out much more, which will help you, like I said, with setting levels and then also finding your noise floor.